Go ahead and then.
Some more possibly mosques or the West Bank or the increased whether we are feeling inshallah by the community as well. Jazakumullah for coming. Please be aware of the glass on the floor. Envelope, the chandeliers one by one. He's using like at the end maybe we'll want to have a photo here together and the next part will show. I think we should also be aware of the social.
We're a bit light on this side, so leaving that. I'll leave the pictures first. I'll just looking at me.